Hello everyone. Bear this in mind. I put this video out about the Rothschilds being involved in a helicopter collision with a plane, and supposedly four people are dead. This was on in November the 20th, 2017, and I've not really heard anything or anything more on it. It's never been confirmed. And I live in Leicester, and look what happened over the weekend. The Leicester City chairman was involved in a helicopter crash soon after takeoff, and there was 5 people killed. And I did a video on that as well, which is that one. Something's not right, and I stand by that, especially what I've just found out. This was a couple of days ago, and this was nearly 12 months ago, 2017, November the 20th. The article's still up. And it's like extremely lame. I mean, look at that. That's supposed to be the crash. It looks like a bonfire. And then this video. I mean, if it was on fire, where's all the burnt trees? All the trees are green. Don't look like there's been a fire there at all. That looks nothing alike. I mean, that's the aftermath of this. You can see it all burnt. I mean, it's a sad, shocking day. Especially if it has been caused deliberately. But I heard it on the news, or read a post that the police have got the black boxes, so we'll have to wait and see if they release that in its entirety without being altered, tampered with in any way. But obviously that probably is down to the family, whether they want that to come out. And it's a tragedy. But what I found was, if I go on Wikipedia, within less than 24 hours, it was already on Wikipedia. And it's in that video, so it's less than 24 hours and that was up. But if we go to 2017, we've only got 2 crashes in March. Nothing about the 4 dead, is there? So I find that extremely suspicious. I mean, when I did the video on this, I said, is it real? Has he gone into hiding? It's just a false flag. Absolutely. Why is it not on Wikipedia 12 months later? Why has that been put on less than 24 hours? If they're that quick at doing things, why is it not there? Why is the Rothschild not there? Is it like the false flag in America? Synagogue bullshit? Feel sorry for the Rothschilds? I'll never in a fucking million years feel sorry for them spineless evil bastards. They all want fucking hanging. Every last one of them. Fucking Zionist, Masons, evil bastards. You're fucking nothing but cowards. The lot of you. No fucking backbone at all. Bunch of cunts. Apologies for swearing, everyone. These people I absolutely detest every one of them. Tony Blair equally. And that sick bitch. Well, the pair of them, one sits on the throne, a toilet, and the other one thinks she's running the country. Fucking treasonous bastards, the lot of them. So, less than 24 hours, this is put on. Over 12 months, no mention of the Rothschilds. Like I said in this video, something's not right.